boys and girls. Thanks for joining me today. Can you give me a high five or a fist bump? I miss you guys. Let's feed Sunbeam together. There you go, Sunbeam. And which is your right hand? Take your right hand and place it over your heart. Let's do the pledge to the American flag together this morning. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Calendar time. We're in April, and yesterday was the 16th. After 16 comes, right, 17. So we say it is April the 17th, and it is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday, today's Friday, and tomorrow's Saturday. Wow, it's been a quick week for me. And if we keep looking at looking ahead to our calendar, after the weekend, next week, I see a special day on Wednesday, April 22nd. It's called Earth Day. So we're going to be learning about some things, how we can take care of our Earth next week. And we also have another birthday, another April birthday in our classroom on Friday, a week from today. Cool. Okay, what kind of weather do we have today? Can you sing with me? Oh, what kind of weather do we have today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy, dark or gray? Is it cold or is it hot? Should I wear a hat or not? Oh, what kind of weather do we have today? Well, it was cold last night. Matter of fact, we had some frost at my house. And so it's cold, so I moved calendar time inside. So I'm not sure what happened to cloudy, but here's cloudy with some sun peeking out. So hopefully the sun will peek out today. But it's cold and cloudy here today. Okay. Well, yesterday I sent you a picture. Our caterpillars arrived. I ordered these from Insect Lure. It was a buy one, get one free cup. But each container has 5 caterpillars in it. And these are going to grow up to be painted lady butterflies. And if you look, compared to my thumb in the picture I sent you yesterday, these little caterpillars have already done some growing. So this cup has everything these caterpillars need. Down here at the bottom is the food. That's their food supply. So you have to leave the lid on. They're going to be eating that food, climbing around in here. They'll make some webbing to help them crawl and climb. And then in about a week to 10 days, they're going to make their way to the top of this cup and form into a chrysalis. And so that'll be cool to watch. By the time we meet again on Monday, these caterpillars are going to be much bigger than what they are today. So we have to keep them still. We can't shake them or anything, and can't put them in the sun. So I'm going to keep them here on the counter. Thanks for doing the butterfly life cycle. Those of you that sent pictures, very awesome. I also got some manipulatives with the caterpillars, and this is what very enlarged. It's a lot bigger than what it actually is in real life. This is what egg looks like. That the butterfly, the painted lady butterfly, lays an egg on a leaf. So there's our eggs. And then out from the egg hatches the caterpillar, just like what we have in our cup. All right, so it's going to eat and grow bigger, much bigger, and shed its skin and then form into a chrysalis. So this is the model of a chrysalis, and it'll hang outside. It'd be hanging from a flower leaf or a tree leaf. All right, so it'll hang from the leaf. And after a couple weeks, a lot of changes will take place, and out will come our butterfly. All right, so when they get to that chrysalis stage, I'll be moving them into our butterfly house. All right, you set the lid in this with the chrysalis attached inside the butterfly house, and then we'll be watching them emerge. Did you like that book yesterday? The Very Hungry Caterpillar? I thought it was pretty cool. I have that book at school, but I didn't have access to it. But I thought, what would be cooler than to have the author, the man that wrote the words, Eric Carle, read that to you. So I hope you enjoyed that yesterday. All right, boys and girls. I sent your parents the link to the pre-K activity sheets for each day. So today is day 5, and it talks about have your child practice writing their name. So make sure you write your name today, and then kind of go on a letter search too. This is a cool activity that has to do with math. Search around the house for something longer than a pencil, shorter than your shoe, heavier than a book, or lighter than a pillow. Those are just examples. So if I took my shoe, let's see. It says, find something shorter than my shoe. Okay. Let's see. Oh, there's the butter dish. Is it longer or shorter than my shoe? It's shorter, right? See how long my shoe is? That's shorter. All right, get a list of objects today and have fun with that. And I hope you have a great weekend. We'll see you again on Monday.